Michael here, and welcome back to another video of the Anatomy Podcast. And I'm sorry for not making one in quite a while, a month to be precise, but I'm back, and in today's video we're going to be covering the circulatory system, which is our main reason of living, and I'm going to be explaining to you in vivid detail how it works, what it does, and how it operates. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. The circulatory system, also called the cardiovascular system or the vascular system, is an organ system that permits blood to circulate and transport nutrients, such as amino acids and electrolytes, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hormones, and blood cells, and from the cells in the body to provide nourishment and help in fighting diseases, stabilize temperature and pH, and magnesium homeostasis. Now, one of the big centers of the circulatory system is, of course, the heart, the center and the brain of the circulatory system. Now, I apologize if you can't see it too well. Let me just zoom in a bit to our little guy here, a little volunteer. So the heart is right there, or in the human body, more commonly known as right here. And of course, I need you to know that the heart and our body looks nothing like Valentine's Day hearts. Just keep that in mind. And also, it is the only place in our body that can be found that has cardiac muscle. No other place in the body has cardiac muscle. Anyways, moving on. The circulatory system includes the lymphatic system, which circulates lymph. The passage of lymph takes much longer than that of blood. Blood is a fluid consisting of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets that is circulated by the heart through the vertebrae vascular system, carrying oxygen and nutrients to the waste and to waste materials away from the body, away from all body tissues. Lymph is essentially recycled excess blood plasma after it has been filtered from the interstitial fluid between the cells and returned to the lymphatic system. The cardiovascular, from the Latin words meaning heart and vessel system, comprises the blood, heart, and blood vessels. The lymph nodes and lymph vessels from the lymphatic system, which returns filtered blood plasma from the interstitial fluid as lymph. And just to recap, during the blood filtration, one of the cells is the delivery, and the other is the importer, and the other is the exporter. So from the heart, straight from the lungs, which in the respiratory system, which we covered last time, goes straight to the heart, where they are filtered by four essential parts of the heart, where it pumps blood and circulates it through our body, thus giving it the name circulatory system. Anyways, the arteries carry blood to the body, around the body, to help it move, and they also transport energy from the small intestine to every part of the body, including the brain. Now, keep in mind that if the brain does not get circulated by the heart, arteries, or veins, it will go on a stroke. Now, it is possible to survive a stroke, but you just have to make sure that blood just keeps on pumping, and you can make sure of that by eating lots of electrolytes and other various healthy things that will help you prevent strokes, especially for old people. And the veins carry blood from our body back to the lungs, where they get oxygenated again, and then carried back to the heart, where they go through the arteries, and it just keeps on circling around and round. So it's just a very circular system, if you get what I mean. Sorry, that was a bad joke. Whoopsie, what happened to the camera? Nope, move this way. Okay. Anyways, the circulatory system of the blood has two components. A systematic circulation, which is the veins and arteries going here, there, here, there, here, there, here, there. And over here, if you're wondering what these things in the middle are, those are the kidneys, which we'll talk about later in a later episode about the renal system. Anyways, and a pulmonary circulation, which is in the heart. While humans and other vertebrates have a closed cardiovascular system, which means the blood will never leaves the network of arteries, veins, and capillaries, some invertebrate groups have an open cardiovascular system. The lymphatic system, in contrast, is an open system, providing an accessory route for excess interstitial fluid to be returned to blood. The more primitive diploblastic animal lacks circulatory systems. Animal phyla. Many diseases affect the circulatory system. This includes cardiovascular disease, affecting the cardiovascular system, and lymphatic disease, affecting the lymphatic system. Cardiologists are medical professionals which specialize in the heart, and cardiothoracic surgeons specialize in operating at arteries and its surrounding areas. Vascular surgeons focus on other parts of the circular system. But anyways, that is going to be it for today's episode of Fun Anatomy. I hope you did enjoy it. I did also get a new pointing stick. Thank you for asking. And I will see you all next time.